Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make orange chicken. Fried chicken pieces in a sweet orange sauce. I'm using boneless skinless chicken breast cut into 1-inch chunks. We'll need an egg, fresh garlic and ginger, sugar and red chili flakes, rice vinegar and soy sauce, cornstarch, orange juice and orange zest. First, zest the oranges. Now we'll juice them. Add salt to the egg. Beat the egg up. Add the chicken to the bowl. Give that a mix. Now we'll add the cornstarch a little bit at a time. Heat up oil to fry the chicken. When the oil's hot, drop in the chicken pieces gently. Fry until golden brown. Unless you have a deep fryer, definitely use a splatter screen because the oil will splatter all over the place. Keep frying them in batches. Drain them on paper towel lined plates when they're golden brown. Now we'll make the sauce and coat the chicken. Add the orange juice, soy sauce and vinegar, sugar and chili flakes. Grate the ginger. And the garlic. The sauce has come up to a boil. Now add the orange zest. Mix that in. Boil this for about 2 minutes. Taste and add more sugar or salt if you'd like. Some people like the sauce very sweet. This sauce is a little bit sweet, but it's not overly sweet. The sauce has reduced and it's getting a little thicker. You don't want it to get too thick, but just thick enough to coat the chicken. And that looks good. Now we can turn the heat down and add the chicken. Coat it in the sauce and it's ready to serve over white rice. The chicken's very tasty. It's got so much orange flavor from the zest and the juice. Some heat from the chili flakes, sweetness from the sugar, and sourness from the vinegar. It's well balanced and not overly sweet. I hope you like this recipe. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.